Hello, in this week's video we're looking at Microsoft Forms. So there have been a number of new releases from Microsoft. Last video I looked at was Microsoft Planner, and this is Microsoft Forms. It's a survey and quiz tool that's very similar to Google Forms, but if your college or school make use of Office 365 then you may find this a really simple way of creating a survey or a quiz. In this first video I'm going to look at creating a survey, and then I'll do a follow-up video when I look at creating a form. So you choose whether you want a form, which in essence is an ungraded survey, or a quiz. So I've gone with form. I'm going to edit one that I've already started. So you just click on it to edit it. It's very straightforward. If you click on a question, you can edit the question. There are a number of different question choices. There's multiple choice, there's a free text question, there's a rating question, a date-based question. You can have a ranking question where the student orders the answers in reference, or a Likert, which is like a grid-based question. So if I show you the Likert one, you can have a number of statements and then you can have a variety of options there. In addition to having text, you can also upload images to your questions. So you can upload an image or a video. So that could be a really useful way if you don't want just to be text-based questions. So having added your questions and you're happy with all the questions you've got, you can click on the little dots and you can add a subtitle which gives them instructions on how to respond to the question. You can also click the required, and that means they must answer it. So when you've finished all of your questions, you can change the appearance by going to theme. You can either upload one of your own images, use a blank block color, or an image. Having done that, you can then share your quiz, and you can choose at the top whether it's respondents only from your organization or whether anyone with a link can respond. As students have a habit of forgetting their password, I always suggest it's worth using that anyone with a link can respond, and then that way you don't get an official list of who has responded. You're relying on them to put in their correct details, but it does remove the barrier if they forget their password. Having chosen who, you can then copy a link, you can download a QR code, you can embed it, or you can email it. You can also get a link as a duplicate, so if a colleague wants to make a duplicate form, they can do that, and you can also get the link if you want to share it with a colleague so you can both collaborate on the generating of the survey. So if we copy if we go back to link, if we copy that link, we can have a look on a new tab what this survey looks like. It should just take a moment to load. Alright, so let's just step back. So I've already responded that. So if I just change that to anyone with a link, now if I copy the code, we go back, paste it in. This is how it's viewed. So they could add their star rating. I think the star rating is a nice type of question. They could set their options. They could alter the order. They can choose their multiple choice, and you can hit submit. Then if we go back and look at the teacher's view, we can see we've got two responses. We can see a nice visual summary of what was responded on each of the questions, and we can also, if we want, we can open up a summary in Excel where we'll see a spreadsheet with all of the answers and the recipients. So there you have it, a very quick guide to using the survey function of Microsoft Forms. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to share it and subscribe for more EdTech videos shortly. Thanks for watching.